Stop a big guy.
Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I will add everybody back after I get off of live. I got you. Show my shit some love, some love. I got you, ayy. Ayy, ayy, ayy. Woo, woo. Whoa. Can I follow back without getting off? Oh yeah, I can. Oh no. Oh, right now? Thank you. I got you. I'm gonna follow everybody back after I get off of here. I'm on Periscope right now.
Where's Periscope?
It's live. Just keep breathing and
People be
breathing.
asking you for your phone number and shit.
I don't know. What the fuck? Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing. This shit is good.
So is this shit.
Oh damn, I turned the camera. Who is Mike Hunt? And why does he smell like fish? This smells like a hamburger. Burger. Burger, 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 burger. I'm gonna be going live on this app more often. Check me out. Check me out. Comment below what y'all want, some content y'all would like to see. Yeah! Check me out. Follow me on IG. Add my Snap. All of that. Do that. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I'm trying to play some soccer.
Are you? You're trying to get on with.
Snap. I think all my information is in my bio. My Snapchat, like, if it's not, are they gonna know? Is that a common person? It's not. My Snapchat is TrainTracks3. Do y'all know who Mike Hunt is? Who all know who is Mike Hunt?
Hunt or Hunt?
Hunt. Mike Hunt. Oh, Mike Hunt. Oh. Oh my God. I figured it out. You got me, son. Got him. Mike Hunt. I can't say it without it sounding like that now. That's crazy. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing.
Where are all these people at?
This is an international one. I know that. I'm really not that hungry. I'm from North Carolina. Take your shirt off. Isn't that how the song goes? Where are you from? I'm American. I'm black and white. I almost said I was 17. I'm whole live. Gonna be 19. Make it rain on them. Make it rain on them.
So what age people are on there?
I don't know, Mom. I don't know.
I'm just asking. I like the eyeshadow.
you. Is it orange looking? I tried to put an orange color on. The palette made it look orange. Just kidding. Welcome. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here, how you doing? How you been? Good to see you. Thank you for tuning in to my live. I'm really not doing nothing. I'm just eating this food. But y'all, make sure you follow my fucking Instagram, potatohomoe. Follow me on here. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Snapchat. All of that. Do that. Do it now. Right now. Yeah. I'm putting my foot down. Oh, Godzilla. Gang, gang, gang. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing.
What's his name?
Chavez Jr.
Chavez. CHAVI. He just watch me. Give me that chicken bone. I'll gnaw on it.
Yeah, my sister got a book. Yeah. Hey, it stops a lot of that teething mess.
Chicken bones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me that chicken bone. They chew on it. Gnaw on it anyway. It helps them.
That don't sound like a good idea. Can't you get splinters?
No. Because they can't break into it.
Oh,
They just they massage
like
their
fucking
gums.
on them.
They massaging their gums to their teething. And that helps them. It helps to break the skin so the teeth.
Oh, it's not like the teeth are biting into it. They don't got teeth yet.
Right. Because you don't want Orajel. They say if you put Orajel on it, toughens up the gum.
Yeah.
But I mean, it toughens the gums.
Yeah.
So it's harder for them to break.
You need to give them some kind of chamomile to relaxing.
Or give them a good old pork chop bone.
That one might hurt him.
That one.
No. Get you a center cut.
Get some food. You want some food?
Or a rib bone.
Yeah.
A
It
rib
was
bone.
good, wasn't it? It's just good, but I'm not that hungry.
Excited, so when he's down, he just quiet. Like, you know,
Yeah, you can tell when your baby don't feel good.
See you later.
Then it bothers
I
you.
got
when it
you. I'm
don't.
gonna add you back. Have a good
He's
day.
so happy-go-lucky.
I hope you have a good day. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing. Eat your eating. I'm eating a burger. Do you want a burger? Eat a burger. Do you want a pancake? Eat a pancake. Do you want a french fry? Eat a french fry. Yes.
Want the pickles? These are the good pickles.
Are there?
Yeah, you'll like them.
You put dressing on it.
I thought about it. You like Greek dressing?
Yeah, but if I'm eating my pickle, I want the pickle flavor. Make sure y'all follow me. And make sure y'all show some attention so I can know who to follow back. I should have blended this more. It's too harsh. Are you full? I'm having Mountain Dew.
Diet Coke.
This is the way you like it.
She only drinks Diet Coke. I done told her to drink some. Is the food helping? I done told her to drink some water because she got a headache. She ain't listening. What drink do you like? I like Mountain Dew. I'm so ready for my hair to get longer. It's gotten like 2 or 3 inches longer, but it's short. Or maybe longer than it. It was up to here, like sitting on my shoulders. Like I was hideous. Look, oh. Hideous. Thank you. I'm so glad. Like, I looked like an off-brand Dora the Explorer. It wasn't cute. Like, I wish somebody could have stopped me, saved me. My hair would have been so long by now. Oh my god, my nose is itching. Howdy. Thank you. Follow me. I'll follow you back. I don't know. I'm really kind of new to this app. I have had it downloaded, but I don't go live on here often. I'm going to try to start going live on here more often. But I'm always on Instagram. So if you want more content of me, follow me on Instagram. Potatohomoe. Potato with an E. I'm trying to...
You gonna smack him with your hair.
Oh. I'm trying to get my networked in. Get them connections. You never know who's watching, who's listening.
Right about that.
What if this is the next millionaire? And then I'm gonna be the next millionaire. Because I'm in there. We cool. We friends. I'm friends with the next millionaire through my live videos. All for your entertainment.
Eat your food.
I'm working on it. Mayo 1. I don't even know what my Periscope name is. It's probably Bri Brezzy. Oh, fish there. They didn't do good on the fry. I don't know what they did with these fries today. They're all mushy. Thank you. I'm really just bored. I'm chilling. Imagine me acting like this when nobody's around. It kind of gets weird after a while. Like I'm like this by myself all the time. I feel that. When I was younger, I used to like act in my room all the time. I used to be a little actress for real. And I know how to put on a show. You feel me? What? I do know how to put on a show.
That's why you need to pull it.
I got one follower. She's a man.
Follow me. I'll be bored.
She on one of them live talk things.
I'm on live with it. It's this thing called Periscope. It's like it's only live. That's all they do on there.
You can pick up somebody, I guess. I don't know.
It's not for that. Like, hella people could see all over the world.
China, Russia.
A lot of YouTubers use it. Like, a lot of people from YouTube are on there. No, I wish. I need somebody to, like, edit my videos if I did. That's the struggle.
2 more, brother. 2 more.
I swear, everybody talking. Got the whole Big Apple Deli. Oh my god.
You can do it. You can do it. Yeah.
I'm with my moms right now. Say hey, Mom Dukes. Okay.
What?
I'm gonna leave you with the camera. I'm gonna go get something to drink.
She want to go get a refill. Y'all want some salad? That's what I'm eating. And
How old is she? 17?
19 in October. And I got a club sandwich. Babies are always spoiled. But he know what he's doing though. One of y'all give in to him. Who gives it to her?
Oh, her food looks great, right? She got the triple decker and the chef salad. No tomatoes. Yeah, you already know. You already know.
They're talking about my food.
Yeah. How you gonna put
You got an entertainer. You got a baby look messy. You want to come over here? He looks dead at you.
Yeah, you flirt too.
How old is he?
Watch out.
You gonna have to keep him in the house.
I know, right? About to take my son tonight.
He ain't walking.
He trying. He just setting himself up.
Who's been carrying him a lot?
No, we don't carry him. He crawls around the house.
So y'all don't have a lot of people that pick him up. So you just being
too.
lazy.
He goes to, well, no.
Oh, God.
Right now, he still can't get his balance. So, like today, when we went to my mama's house, he was
Make sure to follow me. I'm finna end my live. It was nice chatting with y'all. Nice talking to y'all. Y'all see my booger.
You
We
just
out.
being a
Me and my
big
booger
head.
out.